Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today we're looking at the really fascinating core premise of the article, 10 AI features you're not using but should. Listen, if you've ever felt like you're kind of just scratching the surface of what your AI tools can actually do, well, you're entirely right. Today we're going to unpack exactly what we've all been missing. We are moving way past those basic prompts and uncovering the hidden layers of utility that are literally sitting right there in the interfaces we use every single day. And I want to be clear, this isn't just about saving a few seconds here and there. It's about fundamentally upgrading how we approach our digital lives. So, to start, we really have to ask ourselves this crucial question, because the source material strongly suggests we are leaving just massive amounts of utility on the table. Think about it like this. It's like buying a state-of-the-art sports car and only ever driving it in first gear through a school zone. I mean, sure, it gets you from point A to point B, but you are completely missing the engineering marvel under the hood. In fact, did you know that roughly 85% of AI users never venture past a single sentence prompt? It's wild. The vast majority of people treat these platforms like basic calculators, completely ignoring all the specialized, multi-layered features that were actually designed to handle incredibly complex tasks. To make this super efficient for you, here's our roadmap. We'll uncover the AI blind spot, look at everyday productivity boosters, unlock your creative potential, dive into advanced automation, and finally, discuss exactly why you need to care and what your next move should be. All right, section 1, the AI blind spot. Let's see how our own habits are actually getting in the way. You see, this AI blind spot isn't some technical glitch. It's actually a deeply human psychological barrier. Whenever a new technology is introduced, we tend to just map it onto our old habits. Because these AI interfaces usually look like simple search bars or chat windows, our brains trick us into treating them like conventional search engines or basic text apps, and so we just stop exploring. To break that habit, the source isolates exactly 10 distinct features we're ignoring. Let's start with the first two. Feature 1 is custom instructions. Instead of starting from scratch every single time, you can permanently program the AI to know your role, your industry, and your goals. It essentially becomes your bespoke assistant rather than just a generic bot. Feature 2 is multimodal inputs. We're also conditioned to type that we forget we can just upload a voice memo of a messy meeting, or, take a photo of a broken piece of code or a whiteboard sketch and have the AI instantly process that image or audio. By treating the AI like a basic text box, we completely miss out on these foundational time-saving capabilities. Moving on to section 2, everyday productivity boosters. Let's look at how to remove the friction from your daily schedule. We so often fall into the trap of doing all the heavy lifting ourselves, manually sorting data, endlessly formatting documents, painstakingly summarizing those massive, miles-long email threads. It is incredibly draining. But by utilizing the source's hidden features, we completely flip the script. You transform your role from a manual laborer of digital data into a high-level director. You're no longer in the weeds. You're simply providing the parameters and letting the AI execute all that repetitive work flawlessly in a matter of seconds. So let's get specific about how to act as that director with the next 3 features from our list of 10. Feature 3 is contextual memory. Imagine hiring a human assistant, but every single morning you have to re-explain who you are, what your project is, and what your preferences are. Sounds terrible, right? Well, contextual memory toggles allow the AI to remember facts from previous conversations across entirely different sessions. It remembers the context of your ongoing project, so you can just jump right back into the work. Feature 4 is built-in data analysis. Guys, you don't need to be a Python programmer to analyze data anymore. You can literally drag and drop a raw CSV file of your monthly expenses or sales figures right into the interface and ask it to generate trend graphs, identify anomalies, or summarize the top-performing categories. It does in 5 seconds what used to take 2 solid hours in Excel. And then we have feature 5, custom formatting presets. If you frequently write reports or draft emails that need to follow a strict company style guide, you can save those exact structural parameters as a preset command. Instead of constantly adjusting fonts, headers, and bullet points manually, you just tell the AI to apply the quarterly report format, and boom, the output perfectly aligns to your standards immediately. When you stack these specific daily workflow features together, you are reclaiming entire hours of your work week. Okay, section 3, unlocking creative potential. Let's look at how AI actually acts as a catalyst for innovation. There's this huge misconception out there that AI is purely for logical, analytical, or repetitive tasks. But when you hit a creative wall, you can actually pull from the next 3 tools on our list. Feature 6 is divergent ideation. When you're just staring at a blank page, you can instruct the AI to act as a contrarian, or ask it to generate 50 wildly different, outside-the-box angles for a marketing pitch. It totally breaks your cognitive loops. Once you have those ideas, you use feature 7, structural drafting. This is where you take a messy brainstorm, maybe it's an unstructured voice note you recorded during your commute, and you ask the AI to instantly build a cohesive, narrative framework out of it. It organizes the chaos into a clean outline. Finally, you have feature 8, tone shifting capabilities. Let's say you've drafted that marketing pitch, but reading it back, it sounds way too academic. Actually, scratch that. It sounds like a textbook. Instead of rewriting the whole thing, you use tone-shifting prompts to pivot the voice to be casual and approachable, or maybe punchy and urgent, all without losing your core message. Using these 3 features together is basically like having a creative director, a structural editor, and a sounding board sitting at your desk 24/7. All right, into Section 4, Advanced Automation Features. It's time to truly integrate our systems. This is the moment we cross the line from simply using AI to truly integrating it into our lives. And it's powered by Feature 9 API webhook integrations and custom actions. Now, I know that sounds super technical, but it's remarkably accessible and breaks down into a really simple 3-step process. Step 1, identify the bottleneck. Let's use a real-world scenario. Say your bottleneck is manually copying new client leads from your Gmail inbox and pasting them into a Notion database. Step 2, select the hidden automation feature. Inside many AI platforms, you can use built-in integrations or tools like Zapier to connect the AI directly to your email in your database. Step 3, implement the workflow. This is where the magic happens. You instruct the AI, hey, every time an email comes in labeled new lead, automatically extract the client's name, budget, and timeline, and seamlessly populate a new row in my Notion database. You set it up exactly once, and from then on, it happens entirely autonomously in the background. This transforms the AI from a tool you actively have to click on into an invisible engine that passively runs your daily systems. It's a real game changer. Which brings us to Section 5, Why You Should Care. Let's talk about future-proofing your skills. So we've covered 9 amazing tools so far, but it's absolutely crucial to understand the urgency of adopting them. This isn't just about learning neat party tricks, you know. This is about the new baseline in the workplace. And that brings us to Feature 10, shared team workspaces and custom knowledge bases. AI is no longer just a single-player game. Companies are actively using these features to upload their entire internal wikis, allowing teams to query company policies, past projects, and brand guidelines instantly. The word should in our sources title is carrying a lot of weight here. If you're still manually digging through shared drives to summarize old reports, while your peers are using centralized AI knowledge bases to automate that entire process, you are operating at a massive disadvantage. Understanding and utilizing these 10 features is fundamentally about staying relevant in your field. Finally, Section 6, your next AI move. Let's turn this structured knowledge into actual execution. Because knowledge without execution is just trivia, right? We've mapped out exactly what you've been missing, from custom instructions and contextual memory, all the way up to advanced API automations and shared team workspaces. But please, don't try to implement all of them at once. That is a fast track to getting totally overwhelmed. Just pick one. Maybe it's testing out divergent ideation for a project you've been stuck on. Or maybe it's setting up custom formatting presets to save yourself 10 minutes on emails this afternoon. Pick one, test it out, and just watch how quickly it changes your workflow. Because at the end of the day, AI isn't going to replace you, but a person who knows how to fully use these 10 hidden AI features absolutely will. So the question is, which one are you unlocking today?